In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to enter purchase invoices in Xero. This is useful for recording your business expenses and keeping your financial records organized. First, open your web browser and navigate to xero.com. Once you're there, log in to your Xero account. After logging in, look at the top navigation menu and click on Purchases. From the drop-down menu, select Bills. You'll now see a list of your existing purchase invoices. Look at the top right corner and click on New Bill. A new bill form will appear. Start by entering the supplier in the From field. Next, enter the bill date and due date. You can also enter the supplier's reference number if one is provided. Now, move to the line item section and enter the products or services you purchased, including the quantity and unit price. Select the appropriate account from your chart of accounts to categorize the expense and choose the correct tax rate if applicable. Review all the information to make sure the bill is accurate. Once everything is correct, click Approve to record the purchase invoice in Xero. And that's it. You've successfully entered a purchase invoice in Xero. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next